In today's rapidly evolving technological landscape, IT automation has become less of a luxury and more of a necessity. As organizations strive for greater efficiency and agility, the need to streamline complex IT tasks has never been greater. This is where Ansible comes in, a powerful yet simple IT automation tool that is revolutionizing the way we manage and deploy IT infrastructure. Ansible stands out for its simplicity and ease of use, making it an ideal choice for both seasoned IT professionals and those just starting their automation journey. Unlike many other automation tools that require extensive coding expertise, Ansible utilizes a straightforward, human-readable language based on YAML syntax. This makes it incredibly easy to define and automate IT tasks, even for those without deep programming backgrounds. Ansible's agentless architecture further contributes to its user-friendliness. Traditional automation tools often require the installation of agents on every machine being managed. Ansible eliminates this overhead by leveraging SSH connections to communicate with and manage remote systems. This not only simplifies deployment, but also reduces the management burden on IT teams. Whether you're provisioning new servers, deploying applications, or orchestrating complex IT workflows, Ansible provides a flexible and powerful framework for automating a wide range of IT tasks. Its gentle learning curve, coupled with its robust capabilities, makes it an invaluable asset for any IT professional looking to streamline operations, reduce errors, and enhance overall efficiency. At its core, Ansible operates on a simple yet powerful architecture that distinguishes it from other automation tools. This architecture revolves around three key components: the control node, managed nodes, and an inventory file that connects them. Understanding how these components interact is essential to grasp the elegance and effectiveness of Ansible's automation capabilities. The control node serves as the central command center from which all automation tasks are initiated. It is the machine where Ansible is installed and from where you as the user will interact with Ansible to define and execute automation workflows. The control node houses the Ansible engine, which is responsible for running playbooks, managing modules, and orchestrating the entire automation process. Managed nodes, on the other hand, represent the target machines or devices that Ansible manages and automates. These could be anything from servers and network devices to cloud instances and containers. The beauty of Ansible lies in its ability to manage a diverse range of systems, regardless of their underlying operating system or platform. Connecting the control node to the managed nodes is the inventory file, a simple text file that lists all the managed nodes that Ansible needs to interact with. The inventory file acts as a roadmap for Ansible, providing it with the necessary information to connect to and execute commands on the designated target systems. Modules are the building blocks of Ansible automation, representing discrete units of functionality that perform specific tasks on managed nodes. These pre-written modules act as reusable components, abstracting away the complexities of interacting with different systems and services. Ansible boasts an extensive library of modules, each designed to handle a particular aspect of system administration or application deployment. One of the key advantages of Ansible's modular design is its extensibility. If the need arises for a specific task not covered by the existing module library, users can create custom modules tailored to their unique requirements. These custom modules can then be integrated seamlessly into Ansible playbooks, expanding the platform's capabilities to address even the most specialized automation needs. Ansible modules adhere to a consistent structure, making them easy to understand and utilize. Each module typically accepts a set of input parameters, allowing users to customize its behavior and tailor it to specific scenarios. For instance, a module designed to manage files might have parameters for the file path, content, ownership, and permissions. By leveraging Ansible's vast module library and the flexibility to create custom modules, users can automate a wide spectrum of IT tasks. From configuring network devices and managing cloud resources to deploying applications and enforcing security policies, Ansible modules empower IT teams to automate virtually every aspect of their infrastructure and application lifecycle. Section 4. Playbooks, Orchestrating Automation with Ansible. While modules provide the building blocks for Ansible automation, playbooks are where the true power of orchestration comes into play. Playbooks are essentially blueprints or recipes that define a series of tasks to be executed on managed nodes, allowing users to automate complex IT workflows by combining multiple modules in a specific order. Written in YAML, a human-readable data serialization language, Ansible playbooks are designed to be simple and intuitive, even for users without extensive coding experience. This declarative approach to automation allows users to focus on the desired end state rather than the intricacies of how to achieve it. Ansible takes care of translating the playbook instructions into concrete actions, abstracting away the complexities of interacting with different systems and services. Playbooks are organized into plays, with each play representing a group of tasks to be executed on a specific set of managed nodes. Within a play, tasks are executed sequentially, ensuring that dependencies are met and actions are performed in the correct order. This structured approach to automation promotes consistency, reduces errors, and simplifies the management of complex IT workflows. To enhance reusability and maintainability, Ansible playbooks can incorporate variables, templates, and roles. Variables allow users to define values that can be reused throughout the playbook, while templates provide a mechanism for generating dynamic configuration files based on predefined variables. Roles, on the other hand, enable the modularization of playbooks, breaking down complex automation tasks into smaller, more manageable units that can be reused across different projects and environments. Section 5. Why choose Ansible for IT automation? In the realm of IT automation, Ansible has emerged as a dominant force, captivating the attention of IT professionals and organizations worldwide. Its widespread adoption can be attributed to a compelling combination of factors that set it apart from the competition. From its simplicity and ease of use to its agentless architecture and extensive community support, Ansible offers a compelling value proposition for organizations of all sizes looking to streamline their IT operations. One of the most significant advantages of Ansible lies in its simplicity. Unlike many other automation tools that require extensive coding expertise, Ansible utilizes a straightforward, human-readable language based on YAML syntax. This makes it incredibly easy to define and automate IT tasks, even for those without deep programming backgrounds. Its gentle learning curve empowers IT teams to embrace automation without the need for specialized training or extensive coding knowledge. Ansible's agentless architecture further contributes to its appeal. Traditional automation tools often require the installation of agents on every machine being managed, adding an extra layer of complexity and management overhead. Ansible eliminates this burden by leveraging SSH connections to communicate with and manage remote systems. This not only simplifies deployment, but also reduces the potential attack surface by minimizing the number of software components that need to be installed and maintained on managed nodes. Furthermore, Ansible benefits from a vibrant and active community of users and contributors. This thriving community plays a crucial role in Ansible's ongoing development, providing valuable feedback, creating new modules and plugins, and offering support through forums and online resources. This collaborative spirit fosters an environment of shared knowledge and innovation, empowering users to maximize the platform's capabilities and overcome any challenges they may encounter. Section 6. Conclusion: Embracing the power of Ansible. In conclusion, Ansible stands as a testament to the transformative power of IT automation, empowering organizations to navigate the complexities of modern IT infrastructure with unprecedented efficiency and agility. Its simplicity, versatility, and robust capabilities have made it an indispensable tool for IT professionals across various industries, revolutionizing the way we manage, deploy, and orchestrate IT systems. As we move towards an increasingly automated future, embracing tools like Ansible will be crucial for organizations to remain competitive and agile. By automating repetitive tasks, reducing the risk of human error, and freeing up valuable time for IT teams to focus on strategic initiatives, Ansible paves the way for a more efficient, reliable, and scalable IT landscape. Whether you are just beginning your automation journey or looking to enhance your existing IT automation capabilities, Ansible provides a compelling platform to streamline your operations, reduce costs, and enhance overall efficiency. Its intuitive nature, coupled with its extensive community support and vast library of modules, makes it an ideal choice for organizations of all sizes looking to harness the power of automation and unlock new levels of IT agility. As the IT landscape continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, embracing automation will no longer be just an option, but a necessity for organizations to thrive in the digital age. Ansible, with its simplicity, power, and vibrant community, stands as a beacon in this transformative journey, empowering IT teams to navigate the complexities of modern infrastructure and unlock the true potential of their IT operations.